Well, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm ill, but I'm capable of doing a video. And, yeah. I found something in Simple Planes that shouldn't exist. Or rather, Vinphage, or Vinphage, however you pronounce it. Found something in Simple Planes that shouldn't exist. There is a block in this game that was from a time of the ancients. The engine. We all know the Blade T1000. This is the standard propeller engine in Simple Planes. But if you do some X amount modding and change it to engine prop 1 or 2, let you know, I think it's either 2 to 3, you get this. This is the OG propeller engine. This should not exist in the game. There is no changeable options except for input control. And yeah. Now I will have a creation I have uploaded down in the description containing both this propeller and this propeller. Now, these look very, very different to any... Oh God. Sorry if my voice sounds a bit off. Still ill, by the way. But yeah, these look very different to any engine in the game. Like, here's a Blade T1000, for instance. And these are the two OG propellers. Now, I don't know how these work. So, the only way to test that is to slap them onto a plane and see how they work. So I'm going to do exactly that. That genuinely looks so weird. But yeah, we have the engines attached. Let's see how they work and function. I am already flying. Don't want to do that. Alright, right airport. Tutorial plane. How you doing? Alright. What is that sound? It's disgusting. Hold on, is that the sound of the regular car engine? Also, he's very quiet. Like, he's very quiet. I'll let you guys have a noise sample here. So yeah, as you heard, it sounds nothing like an engine should. Especially an engine like this. Also, it's rounded. It's not meant for the blocks. By the look of it. Yeah. So, they seem... Whoa. 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 What the hell just happened? Okay, hold on. What just happened? What the hell? Okay, what the hell just happened? Uh-oh. Alright, come on, let's see if we can land. Oh, barely. What the hell? I'm genuinely confused. Like, what just happened? We just died. Almost. And speaking of dying, let's do that. Like, how strong are these things? Because if you've seen Vinphage, yeah? I'm trying to remember the name of their channel. I'm trying to remember their name. But yeah, if you've seen Vinphage's video, apparently these things are indestructible. Apparently these are indestructible. Let's see if that's true. By the way, link to Vinphage down in the description, along with my thing that I've uploaded. But yeah, here we go. We're about to crash. We're not about to commit 9. We're about to commit. Oh, hold on. Alright, hold on. I can't even see what's there. Oh, it's burnt. Wait, are they actually invincible? Hold on. Guys, I've just noticed something. The tutorial plane has retractable tail gear. Yeah, these are very powerful. Apparently the other ones are extremely powerful. Again, we're gonna test that. I mean, honestly, Vinphage is the one who kind of just let me know of this. Let everybody know that this exists. And so I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna make a video. So if you're watching this video right now, yeah, credit to Vinphage. But let's see if they really are indestructible. Apparently this whole plane is indestructible. This thing just won't die. Hold on. Any props? I saw the right hand wing explode. But there's no prop. Okay, I think the props are destroyable. I think. Because I don't see no prop engine around here. Apart from the one attached to this wing here. Oh, hold on. That wing there. The thing looks different, does it? The only different thing you can tell is the fact that the prop blades are ever so slightly larger. Right, anyway, apparently these are invincible and insanely powerful. Let's try this. Let's try them and see how they are. This could be bad. This could be bad. Okay. 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 Okay, apparently the propellers on these things can just withstand the power of God. Also, these are really powerful. Whoa. Okay, these are really powerful. These are really powerful. We're going 200 knots. I am a fighter jet. I am a fighter jet. I am officially a fighter jet. Look at me. Oh my god. This. Holy. Alright, crash test. At 250, 60, 70 knots. Oh. I don't know what's that flying through yet. Whatever it is, it's gone. Same with the propellers, they're gone. Huh. Not indestructible, but insanely powerful. Like, really powerful. Now everyone, if you're wondering if there's old jet engines or old any other engines, I've tried. There isn't. I tried a couple times and there is no other old engines. It's just these two. Now, like I say, I have a link down in the description where you can download these two engines just on their own, just as the blocks, and you could build with them. But these genuinely are so, like, strange. Like, look at the, like, this is so strange. Like, they're also so small. They are absolutely tiny. But like I said, very powerful. You need a quick speed boost? Put some of these in. You are going to send it. If you're building a warplane, go ahead. Yes. I am absolutely ripping it. Alright, let's go over the bridge. Let's go through the bridge. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh my god, we're flying. Oh god. We're landing on a building. Also, it's considerably laggier here. Goodness me. And by the way, that's the Eiffel Tower. I don't know why the pyramids of Giza are here. They are. Yeah, anyway, I don't really know what actually. I have one more idea. Can a plane with these engines land in the military base? Dumb idea. But let's find out. Let's find out. I don't know why in particular these engines, but oh well. Speed. Send it. Send it. Absolutely send it. Maybe don't send it. Maybe don't send it. Yeah, we're landing a plane in a mountain for like the 70th time. I should have attempted the tutorial plane in the video where I literally landed planes in this military base. Alright, here we go. Smooth landing. That's gonna hit the roof. That did not hit the roof. Don't ask me how. Okay. Oh no, wait up. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. It worked. I mean, we stopped, so that counts, but these propellers are invincible. Like, look at them. Normal propellers would absolutely die. Not these ones. In fact, we are rotating. How do you get these? Let me show you. Okay, so here we are on the main menu. You're gonna want to make sure you have where is it? Overload. Here it is. Overload. You're gonna want to make sure you have overload activated. Yeah, I have a bunch of mods. I found the ways. But yeah, you're gonna want to make sure you have overload on. Then what you're gonna want to do? Grab any blade engine. I'd recommend just doing a blade T1000. Pressing or like clicking this button. And editing engine prop 5 or whatever the number is to either engine prop 1 to get the one without the engine sticking out the back and the less powerful one, or engine prop 2, the one with the most power, and also they basically are the exact same thing. It's just that one is way more powerful. Right, anyway, I think that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I know this is a bit more of a short video and a little bit more of a less planned video, but I kind of just have to make a video because I haven't made one in an entire week because I've taken a break due to being ill. Anyway, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I can't speak. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.